Guys, and this is your ranks, so I got taxes to thanks. So, this is a Xiaomi Redmi, you can see. So now I think so ranks, and it was a confident present, and now I got casings. I've got like 2 casings. This is hydrant, and I think I got bookings. I think so. My cousin that. So after that, and that's okay, something that. Yeah, okay, do like the tanks. Okay, so go the tank and got it's okay, like 7, and I got like next into, but I got to get the tanks. So I got to extend everything and the tank like that. Tank, so and those kind of tank. As I can see how. So we can get so get that. Okay, get tanks, okay, and then I got this. Get some things from fire. Also, fire I can so get tanks. So yeah, that things on snacks. Okay, salt. I tell it was like a hydrant. I things like so I think same thing. That thing. But thanks, thanks, and thanks. So yeah, I think everything. That's alright. Let's see if I can type clean. Okay. Still getting access to the currents. And yeah, I don't think I think something that I get to do. Okay. I think it can't extract things. Well, that makes strings. So I can links. I think things like the screen could be like clapping things. I think things I can't think. So get excited. Okay. Thanks. I got two. That's right. Also, for its right. So, get like. Thanks. Correct. Thanks. Don't okay. Thank you guys for watching.